Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.